Oh, today we're gonna make the Malibu Pineapple. So we're gonna make 2 drinks, unfrozen one
Ooh.
and a frozen one.
Make your guests happier. Malibu and pineapple.
I'm AJ. This is Absolut Drinks with AJ. Let's get into it. So we're gonna start with the first one, the Malibu Pineapple, where we're gonna need a glass, some ice cubes of course, a jigger, Malibu, and we're gonna use some freshly squeezed pineapple juice. Here you can use whatever juice you want. If you like the juice, you're gonna like the drink. We're gonna of course need some pineapple for garnish. I don't recommend go and get a pineapple just for the garnish. You can garnish with anything else if you're at home. We're gonna start with icing up the glass. So this one we're building directly into the glass. Very easy drink, quick to make. We're gonna go in with 45 milliliters of the Malibu. We're just gonna top it up, simple as that. And we just wanna give it a little stir just to really marry all the ingredients in there. And for garnish, I'm just gonna go ahead like this, get the little rough part off, give it a little down the middle, chuck it on there. If you're doing it more advanced garnish, start with a garnish or your drink is gonna melt. Just 2 of the little top, what do you call this? The hair of the pineapple. Chuck them in there. There you go. Wow. The coconut and pineapple, we know it works. We all love a Piña Colada. This is a drink for all year round. Let's go. I love a good frozen drink. I'm gonna make a frozen version. For that, we're gonna need the blender. It's the exact same measurement when it comes to the Malibu Pineapple. Jigger, we're gonna go in with 45. I'm gonna go in with around, say, 70 mil. And then just get plenty of ice in there. I'm gonna start there, and then I'm gonna add more if I want to. But to make this a little bit more fun, I'm gonna go ahead and use the rest of my pineapple in here as well. We got some pineapple juice, we got some pineapple, we got the ice, we got the Malibu, and we got the lid.
Are you sure you had the Malibu in the blender? Are you really sure?
I think he's with me now. There is Malibu in there. I'm not sure. Why are you with me? It smells like Malibu. Why do I have short-time memory? There's Malibu in there. Gonna give it a little stir. Well, that is proper frozen. So get in here, Max. I wanna be a little bit less frozen, so I'm gonna add some more pineapple juice in there. Another 20, just to kind of loosen it up. Give it a little bit more. That is very frozen. I think we're gonna need some more juice. So this is why you wanna add your ice as you go. I think we got it. New glass, Malibu Pineapple. Oh, but you know, we ain't here to be clean. Oh. Wait. This is why I'm here. So this one I'm gonna garnish the same way. Just a little pineapple wedge in there. We're gonna get some of these little leaves and my straw.
How are you today, AJ?
Good, I'm good. How are you?
You've been making drinks, looking good.
Here we go.
That looks nice.
That looks nice.
Can I take some photos?
Of course, of course.
All you gotta do is take photos of your drinks and hashtag them with Absolut Drinks for your chance to be featured on absolutdrinks.com. Can I try? What have you made?
Same ingredients, 2 styles. One unfrozen, one frozen. Both with Malibu and pineapple juice.
It's a classic combo, I'm not gonna lie, AJ. Ooh, can't hit wrong. It's the easiest way to get those little midweek Piña Colada fixes because it tastes pretty much like a Piña Colada, but it's just banging and vivid.
And or what?
I have no idea. It's just banging and very delicious.
This is for you.
Okay. Did you put Malibu in this?
Yeah.
You sure?
No.
Did you put Malibu in this?
I want to see the playback on this if I forgot the Malibu.
Sorry, I had to do it. Absolutely stunning. Super cold. I love a good frozen drink, and that is one of the simplest you can do. Because who doesn't like a little slush?
It's very easy, 2-component drinks.
What do we do? Make it them?
No, make them at home.
Make them at home. Make these at home. Make your guests happier. Malibu and pineapple. But AJ, what would make you happy?
If you subscribe down below.
Oof. What about if you comment put all your comments in the comments because we read comments.
What about if you like this video? Gives it a thumbs up. Are you happy?
Yeah, I'd rather it was a Piña Colada though. Good girl, AJ.
Oh, thank you.
I'm so proud. I don't want to know about your sticky hands.